Project.
Hi, I am Kamlesh from EC department. I have completed my project on Alpha Digitronic Solutions. We built a project of motion sensor and my team members are Lokesh and Vignesh. Lokesh will explain about the components of the project.
Tell me, Lokesh, what's the components?
I'm Lokesh, I'm EC department. Now we are done the project PIR sensor. In this we are used components are Arduino Uno, PIR sensor. Here see the motion of the sensor. The movement direct motion.
Oh, the movement is detected from the.
Yeah.
Oh, if you place the hand here, the movement is detected.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Vignesh will explain about the purpose of PIR.
Tell me, Vignesh, what's the purpose?
I am Vigneshwaran, EC department. I am tell about the purpose of working. ஹியூமனோட மூமெண்ட்டை கண்டுபிடிக்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஆர்டினோ சிக்னலை பாஸ் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யாராச்சும் ரூமில் என்டர் ஆனால் லைட்ஸ் வந்து டர்ன் ஆகும்.
What's the future scope of this project?
The scope of purpose of this project to design and implement a low-cost motion detector using PR sensor and Arduino to control and automatically with the human presence.
Oh, that's nice, guys. Hope you feel it.
Thank you, sir.